Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Tesla. This four-door sedan has engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Tesla has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 150 miles per gallon in the city and 133 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has been involved in one minor accident, has had minor bodywork, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include auxiliary audio input, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.